If you ever wish there was an easier way to make any speaker in your house an AirPlay 2 compatible system, well, now you can with the new Belkin Soundform Connect Audio Adapter with AirPlay 2. This is a pretty simple plug-and-play solution, but it does come at a price. At $99, yes, this is certainly pricey, but for those of you out there who have really expensive and nice speakers that might not have any smart features or even AirPlay 2 compatibility, this is really one of the only ways to make that happen, specifically with AirPlay 2. The adapter is small and it's made up of mostly plastic. It's really not mind-blowing or even really interesting, but that's okay because it really only has one purpose, and it serves that purpose fairly well. You can plug this into your speakers or receiver via optical or 3.5mm output, and then plug the adapter in via USB to power it on. You open up the Home app and then bring your phone right next to the adapter for a quick NFC pairing process instead of having to type in the code manually. You can also just do all of the setup via the Home app in just a few short minutes, and then all of your controls can be done via the Home app as well. You can also access this device in the AirPlay menu when you're choosing which output you want to use. That's pretty much it. I mean, now whenever I'm playing music, I can easily head into the AirPlay menu and select my fairly basic speakers that have no real other features aside from just playing audio when hardwired into another device, but now they're transformed into AirPlay 2 speakers. If I pick Soundform Connect, it will play on these speakers that have no AirPlay functionality whatsoever in the background here. You can now use these speakers as part of your whole home audio setup, and you can even set custom scenes via the Home app that use these speakers to play audio or music that you've configured for your scene. As someone who has a lot of AirPlay 2 speakers and devices like HomePods, HomePod Minis, and Sonos speakers, it's great to be able to add really any other speaker via this adapter to my collection and send the same audio to all of my speakers at one time via AirPlay 2. And of course, I would love to know your thoughts on this. Now, I've only used this for a few weeks, but it's worked really well. And honestly, I can't even tell once I got it set up that this is not something that's integrated from Apple, like a HomePod or something. It just kind of works the same way via AirPlay 2, and it's very, very stable. And of course, if you have any other ways that you've been able to do this, please let me know in the comments down below. But I'd love to know your thoughts on this Belkin Soundform Connect Audio Adapter with AirPlay 2 in the comments down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.